Hey everyone, Tyler the delivery specialist down here at Bruce Honda, and today I want to show you how you can use your brake hold on your 2020 Honda Civic LX. Alright, so I'm just going to jump right into it. First thing we need to do is you need to have the car on. The second thing we need to do is we need to put our seatbelt on. Once we have our seatbelt on, we can go ahead and push the brake hold button, which is right down here by the gearbox. Once you push that button on the dash itself, you will see a green box pop up saying brake hold. Now that you have the brake hold on, you're able to go and stop at stoplights or go through drive-thrus, and you can take your foot right off the brake and the vehicle will hold yourself there. I really hope you enjoyed this little video on how you can use the brake hold. First and foremost, 3 steps to it. 1, make sure that the vehicle's on. 2, put your seatbelt on. 3, push the brake hold button and you're all set to go. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you head on down to Bruce Honda at 166 Stars Road in Yarmouth, Nova Scotia, or give us a call at 902-742-2575 and we hope to see you there. Alright, see ya.